Okay. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ na mba ụwa dum. Aha m ka bụkwa Comrade EN Nnadi nwanne unu. Ịma na kemgbe agbara m nkịtị chọọ m ikwu too much maka na ọ bụrụ every time ka na-ekwu ndị na-akwụkwọ na aga anụkwa. But sometimes things will start happening. You need to keep walking, keep going because now you are making all quiet chat of my friends. You know, you need to name a legal time. Now you need a political arena, in Nigeria political arena. Now you need a Biafran struggle. Now you need maybe open a no local. If all is not well within the Igbo. Politically, religiously, and otherwise, all is not well for Igbo. In Biafra struggle, all is not well for Igbo. In Nigeria politics, all is not well for Igbo. Nowhere, even in business, all is not well for Igbo. You know? In Aya, if you governors, and senators, natural, and Igbo, you know, it's not Igbo presidency. Presidency, Achoro Biafra, Achoro Konyibo, president of Nigeria. It's good. It's good if they can be able to play the politics. But I'm surprised today. When I got through social media, even the PDP, People Democratic Party, PDP, Obabuna, every party Obo, Ndi will be constituted. 70% of that party, they have their zoned their presidential candidate to not zoned their chairmanship to start. The party bank and the boss the bank can wear chance he be president of Nigeria. Here's only go their president to not zoned only party chairman to start. What is party chairman? Every day they keep on zoning party chairman to start, keep on zoning presidents to not. In 2003, as after 1999 election that Obasanjo won, as na Tom Dibo na 2003, Obasanjo got you 2003, Obasanjo returned back. I have praise, I have Russia. 2007, I start until 2007, Kochicha, 2010. Chatu teno, yeah, do abita. As I can show 2011. Before 2011, that I do a war. Good luck, bro, president. I saw only in car one check Kochicha, on the year. If you go near me in 2015, Buhari Bata, not enough. Kitana, as no, oh, Tam Dibo. After I keep Hachita first time, I saw second time, second time now. Our children as no is on the way back to outside land. And Hana Amive, a lot of people have said it that Igbo can never rule Nigeria. A lot of people, a lot of respected men, they have said it that Igbo can never rule Nigeria. And they don't want to listen. After 2023, and they will not get presidency, what would they do? Will they come back and beg us? Will they come back and apologize to some of us who say that yes, Igbo man can never rule Nigeria? Okay, can you keep Penka aside? Sometimes last few months ago, certain government of Uganda, ban open grazing. Now again we open grazing. Now certain states. Southwest, South and Southeast. Recently, the Imo State Governor, Kopu Zodima, opted out from that arrangement. So now I state here, it's a band, anti-crazy. Now, there was an agreement with the Flames. That's you cannot ban them. Today, I got through social media today, this evening. Now, for even Fulani Mieta, Nasina, we have Southern Governor Sukuru because Southern Governors gave 1st of September as a deadline to implement those things. the anti-grazing law or whatever, they say that certain governors are ranting that they can't do anything. That they can't do them anything. That they are in charge of United Nations, now control United Nations, now control African Union, now control everywhere. That Nigeria will be that they cannot run away, that nobody can chase them away. That the governors cannot do anything. And this kind of thing cannot send a message to our brothers in our politics, Nigeria politics. This is supposed to send a message to them that they cannot do it. Let them come back and unite with their brothers. Let's speak with one voice. When you say unite, people nature now in unite to be under one umbrella. We cannot be in one umbrella. Even the Fulanis are not in one umbrella. But that's their common goal. They are united with that their common objective, common goal, which is Islamizing and taking over Nigeria. Taking Nigeria as their own home. If we're going to hear Commodore, the Naval Commodore Kurumbosana channel television, and ask Gejide Table, because he said what is right, what he know. That the people who are fueling all these crises in northern Nigeria, even in the south, maybe that one theory. President Muhammadu Buhari's brothers, the president brothers. The president knows where they are, knows who they are. They are after one objective: take over the land that belongs to every indigenous people and make it their own. That's why the main reason Buhari refused to brand or call the bandits, the Boko Haram, all these people terrorists. You don't want to call them terrorists because they are their brothers. How can you call your brother a terrorist? But come to Igbo land, we want to kill our brother, we want to kill ourselves. We must learn how to unite against our common enemies. Who are our common enemies? The Fulanis. The people who are grabbing land by force. They are our common enemies. They are our common enemies. Those people who have sworn oath that they must take over our land. Naga, Ewa, Lani, Nike. They are our common enemies. You know? The self-determination groups, IPOB, Dimazop, Zionists, Biafra Nation Alliance, Biafra Nation League, Biafra BNC, Biafra National Council, and a lot of them, they're supposed to come together. You know, come together as people with one voice, because every group now paper together, named down Yoruba, they are together. They are under one umbrella. Elana Omo Odua, under the leadership of Professor Banji Akitoye. A renowned professor. They are one umbrella. Not that they are one umbrella, they are speaking with one voice. They have different groups, but all those groups are united with one umbrella, where they will have one leader controlling that umbrella body of different groups. Recently, Biafra had their own Biafra de facto customary government. A lot of people say they don't want to identify with that de facto customary government. That is our own common unity. We're supposed to identify with those things. And I'm sure that if we, the pro-Biafra groups, can be able to come together in strong terms. Continue. But even when we don't need to kill ourselves for any reason. Because we have one common enemy. That common enemy is the Fulanis, who have sworn that they must take over our land by force. Fugoni Heneme, Ejide Boko Haram, Ejide Asa, Ejide Amnesty, may integrate, Bunye Hego, Bunye Hakwa, even send the Hakwa, I got to Chapko, and may integrate into the military, the police, and send them down here to the south so that I can be the Bundibu unnecessarily. they kill everybody. Look at what's happened today. People over here, people not anywhere. Agabia, Afuni, Beyonga, Ebogi, Ebrugi, killing the people. Yeah? That is the main reason we have to unite, because one of the money called Bidama. If we go to Namana, no chalk na inside. I want to see Metuanya Hakamuga Kuja because of one name. You borrow me or we borrow me. It's not possible. Don't need to unite against these people. Who are they, sir? They are afraid of Nibo. I know Flamis, they cannot fight. I happen to come from Enugu State, but that's the boundary side of Enugu State, where we deal with these people. I not chop every day. Yeah, that they are loggable, hired people, middle-bed people, but now they are no more with them. Eh? What do you know? All the missionaries are from outside country. They are defeated indigenous people. How many are they? How many are they? How can they kill all of us? We need to unite. Unite against these people and stand against them. That is my message today. Unity is what we need to do right now, because Igbo presidency or whatever the Igbo Jaze, Igbo presidency, or 1 year the Igbo presidency, they should forget it. They are dreaming, they are speaking out of illusion. When you have the Mayani, Kweba, those all of them, they are dreaming. I can have Nacha Hego, Hapo Habaho, or by Jaze. There is nothing, only here the Igbo presidency, they should forget it. They should come back and unite with us so that I can see fight at this thing once and for all. Obro guy Jide hand Buste hand channel not Allah as na an Igbo presidency. Igbo presidency my food. Thank you very much.